So I'm gonna make some vegetable noodles today. And that I will show you guys how I make it. So we're gonna let this a little brown. I didn't put too much oil in it, just a little bit. Cover it out, turn the heat up a little bit, and let this process. So this is what this is gonna look like. I'm gonna stir it a little bit more. You see it's getting nice brownish. Now I'm gonna add garlic and ginger paste in it. I'm gonna lower the heat. Burn my hand a little bit. Getting a very nice color. So I'm gonna let it smear for half a minute. I forgot to add some tomatoes. So I'm gonna do that. I actually lower the heat so it doesn't affect like my burning the onions. So I don't burn my onions, which is a good thing. But now I'm gonna heat up a little bit to medium. I don't know if you guys can hear me with this going on top. Like, so we're gonna put that, and after that I'm gonna put one chicken cube, chicken cube in here just to taste it really well. So I added a little bit of water just to dissolve these tomatoes. These tomatoes are cooked before I add my spices. I could add my spices right now. I think I'm gonna add my spices right now, and we're gonna add the vegetables later. So I usually add red pepper, a little bit of turmeric, some black peppers, and some salt. These are my spices. So after I added my all spices, that's what it looks like. So we're just gonna give it a little stir and mix it all together. So since I'm fasting, I can't really taste how the salt and pepper is, so I'm probably gonna ask my dad to do it. So I'm just like doing this so all the tomatoes can become really nice taste. So the vegetable I'm gonna be using is these ones. You can use any mixed vegetable. I really like this one because these have like corn on it, carrot, and some green beans and green peas. These are really nice. It has like everything in it. So we're just gonna add like half of it almost into this mixture, and I'll show you guys. So after I put like vegetables, I put like half glass of water in it. Just because these vegetables are frozen, if you have fresh vegetables, they usually will leave a little bit of water, so just put a half glass of water just to give them extra time so they can all mix really good and it can be really nice, so you have no crunchy pieces. So I'm gonna let that sit and simmer for like half an hour almost. When it has a little bit of water left, it's about 20 minutes. When it has a little bit of water left, then I'm gonna add my noodles. So let's boil our noodles now. So the noodles I got is these one, the rice noodle, the egg white pasta, fine pasta. Actually, you can either add this into that mixture with the water, some little bit of water in it, but I like to boil this and then add it, because if I don't boil it, then it will, when I eat it, it gives me gas in my tummy, so it's a better idea to boil it than add it into the vegetables. So I almost put a little bit more than half of a bag for noodles in here. And we're gonna just let that boil a little bit, and then we're gonna add it to our mixture. Don't overboil it, then it becomes super sticky and it's mushy. So just enough where it's nice and like separately how you see it now. As you can see, this is a little bit of water left, and we're gonna actually close our heat now because our noodles are ready. If I show you my noodles, I'm probably gonna use the same spatula because I don't care. So our noodles are ready, so I'm gonna just take the water out, and then we're gonna put the noodles in that, and then I'm gonna turn the heat back on. So I'm just gonna close this one for a minute or two, then I'm gonna come back to it. So this is how our noodles looks like after we take the water out. So I'm just gonna put those in there. So after we mix all the vegetables, all the noodles, that's what it's gonna look like. I think I did a little bit overdo my noodles, but they're not where it's like they're super mushy. Because that happened to me one time. So watch your noodles when you're boiling it. Alright guys, thank you for guys watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.